I've seen it 75. Up there? Honest to God, temperature was 25 below, and then the wind chill put it at 75 below. That's why you got a skier. I got 30 major runs up there. 30 major runs. They're all beginner, intermediate.
Yeah, it's like more
On an average year, I've got 120 inches of snow on the mountain. When does it start snowing? Start snowing? Basically, just after Bluefield. I'll run anywhere from 40 to 60. Sandia Mountain Ski Resort, is that what it is? Sandia Peak Ski Resort. Sandia Peak. If you stop at the cashier, they'll give you a little brochure on all the trails and a map.
Well, I'm not a skier anymore, but
Alright. What's the trouble?
May 15, 1905.
64 years.
The only thing you gotta remember, you gotta either have your own equipment or rent equipment in town.
So do they take this up and go skiing, and then they ski and do the ski lifts on the other side?
Late in the afternoon, come on back down. But you can't go down the first trip on the chairlift. You go down
Okay. That's why they want to take us to see if they're.
You know if you say yawn, you yawn.
Well, you really want to have fun. Be out here the first Sunday in
All right, that's the Sandia tram, Sandia Peak Tramway, the world's longest aerial tramway. How far is this up? 10,000 feet? 7,000? I'll post it on the information below. Just mention that.